Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, headed back to Columbia, South Carolina to continue to work on the renovation of my grandmother's 1960s home, which is now my aunt's home. And this has been a project that has been near and dear to my heart that I have been working on for the past couple of months now. And so today I'm headed there to really get a lot done with that kitchen reno part. As you know, I am on a tight budget renovating this kitchen because we took on kind of doing the bathrooms also, which that wasn't a part of the original plan, but in the end she'll have a completely renovated house, and so it did affect the budget for the kitchen. So I really had a tight budget with this, and I am going to do a sit down video where I actually take you through kind of the budget, what I did with the budget, and how I made it work. And I hope that can be helpful if you're just kind of looking to renovate your kitchen on a budget also, but again, I'll do that as a second. Now you see here all of these cabinets, they need to go. I shared in the previous video that we did have a little issue come up when we started ripping out the cabinets, and I'll link those videos below if you missed any of my renovation series videos. The light for the island that I'm putting in here has been installed. Mike did come up and put recessed lighting in for me, which is great. So now I need to run some quick errands to get some supplies and pick out the countertops, so come along. So now that all the running around is done, the cabinets were getting installed as I was doing all the running around, kind of picking the countertops and getting extra supplies needed, and the kitchen is starting to come together. Now the coffee bar here there were never cabinets on this wall here. This is where the kitchen table used to be, and so I wanted her to have a coffee bar because that's really a dream space that she wanted in her kitchen. And so these cabinets are not the same as the other pre-built cabinets. These are from Nelson Cabinets, which I am excited about, and I'm going to do a whole separate video where I put together her coffee bar, and I'll share the cabinets, the coffee bar, all the good stuff in that video. And there, my aunt's dog Toto is still the foreman. He's still on the job, but he has recruited Bentley and Albert to come up and assist him with managing this whole renovation project. Now, I don't know how much help in managing Bentley and Albert were to Toto, but Toto stayed true to watching everyone work. He does not let anyone out of his sight. Bentley and Albert, they're a hit or miss, but they were there. They were being supportive of Toto and his newly renovated home. So that's about the most that I can say that they did. But what I will say is that the project is coming together nicely. I am happy with the granite countertops that I picked out. I think they complement the floors beautifully, and they kept me within my budget, but they still did not sacrifice quality and beauty. So, and she was so happy with the end result. And then, like I said, the cabinets over here, that's my cousin, by the way. He was helping me with some painting and just some little projects that I needed to get done. He's been amazing. And now that the cabinets are all in place, and it was a little tricky because outside of the coffee bar cabinets, which match beautifully with the kitchen cabinets, I did have to do just some work to get everything to fit properly. And so now it's about putting in those countertops. Then we can really move forward with doing things like the backsplash, putting the trim up, and all of those different things. And the company that I found to do the installation, they actually did the countertops. That's where I picked up the selected the countertops, and they did the installation. Really did a great job. They were in and out in no time, and I was so excited to see this finished, and I was so happy with the job that they did. And it just really, this is the part that when you're renovating your kitchen that really helps you see everything come to life. When you have cabinets in those counters, you feel like you're like over the hump of a renovation when it comes to a kitchen. And so it just looks So beautiful. It's like night and day in comparison to the before pictures that I shared with you, with the tile flooring and kind of the brown worn cabinets. And now you see how much lighter it is in the space. It really just kind of brightened the space a lot. And so she did love the handles that I had in my kitchen, so I kind of stayed true to that for her kitchen also. She loves those chromes and things like that, so that was easy for me to select for her. And now it's about just kind of putting that backsplash, putting that trim, and then putting this kitchen together for her, and it's going to look great. So I hope you have enjoyed this quick little update. I hope you will stay on this journey with me, and I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.